Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Zalfa Sania Rahman. Today I want to present my individual assignment with the title TransTV, a case study of public relations in organizational design. In this presentation, I have five broad topics that I will explain in the detail for the next slide. Firstly, organizational structure and the position at TransTV. Second, the role of public relation at TransTV. Third, the impact of PR on organization communicational strategies and overall goals. Fourth, public relation theories or models. And lastly, the effectiveness of the PR strategies and the future improvement. All right. Before we go deeply into the PR in organizational design, mainly in TransTV, I want to give the brief explanation about TransTV. TransTV is the acronym for TV Televisi Transformasi Indonesia, called TransTV. It is one of the private television stations under Transcorp and owned by Citicorp that broadcasts nationally in Indonesia. This TV station was established on 1st August 1998, but only first officially broadcast after obtaining permission on 10 November 2001. So this television channel is focused on broadcasting entertainment programs aimed for families in Indonesia that aired 24 hours from morning to night. We can see various programs that air in Trans TV, including movies, talk shows, entertainment news, culinary programs, sports, and many more. The PR department stays under the sales and marketing unit at the broader chat organization at Trans TV. So here I brought a more detailed structured organization of only PR division. Here we can see at the top of PR division, they have PR division head, then they have PR department head, and then separating two bigger sub and PR division into PR section head and also off air and community section head. And PR division and Trust TV, they have many specialization and have many subfields. They have corporate relation, government relation, media relation, and on TV, website content management, social media uh, content, social media strategy, even publicity and merchandising, community development, audience, and also CSR or corporate social responsibility. What are their tasks, responsibilities, and role will be explained in detail in the next slide. Alright, in this section, I will explain in detail for every specialization of role at TransTV, especially in PR. Firstly, we have corporate relation. As we know, there are many types of relation that need to be built and maintained by the PR practitioners. They have to maintain their relationship with the corporate, with the government, with the employees, or with the media itself. So here, firstly, we have corporate relation that focus on carrying out activities that relate to the agencies or private institutions, school or campuses that will have the cooperate or collaborate with TransTV in order to establish a good relationship and improve a good image. Secondly, we have government relation, and a government relation is really focused on enhance the relationship with government agencies that have the relation with the transit, such as Indonesian Broadcasting Commission, or in Bahasa is Komisi Penyiaran Indonesia, and also the Regional Broadcasting Commission across Indonesia. The PR team needs to establish and maintaining good relationship, enhancing awareness, and increase the image of Trans TV within this institution. For example, uh, the Indonesian Broadcasting Commission always regularly monitoring the program that aired on television, and if there is the program that not suit with the ethical guidelines of the society, they will be punished by this Broadcasting Commission. Because of that, it's the role of PR to maintain a good relationship with this type of government agencies. Next, we have media relations. The media relation from the name itself is to organizing the accurate flow of information between the company, which is Trans TV, and various media outlets, including newspapers, magazines, radio, and mainly find in this era is social media. So the objective of media relation is to establish and maintain clear, efficient, and effective communication channels. For example, like now on people have a great access to the information and to the internet. They can type freely and voice what they want to. So it is the time where PR of the company needs to regularly monitoring what's happening in social media, whereas any the positive or negative image that we build by the social media content, they need to know and they need to fix it or update it accurately and quickly. The fourth is non-TV media. So in this non-TV media, they have responsible to develop and implementing the strategic planning for promoting the advertisement, like in newspapers, magazines, radio, or tabloids. This also include conducting advertising barter cooperation within an effective budget and also the brand coverage. Alright, we have still many role of PR that needs to be discussed. They continue. They have website content management. They're responsible for managing content on TransTV website with the aim of enhancing the brand awareness. It involves the writing, editing, and also presenting the attractive content. The next we have social media strategy. As we know that TransTV will always want to improve their quality and also adapt to technology advancement, TransTV specify the task in the unit of social media strategy. They need to create comprehensive strategies to engage and grow TransTV's social media platforms. It includes the conducting the research on target audiences or creative content, leveraging the trends, and also use data analysis to analytic the audience behaviors, preferences, and also the trends that happen in the society. Next, we have social media content. This one is particularly focused on creating and managing the content on sensitive social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The goal of this unit is to create a compelling narrative and engaging content that boosts the interaction and engagement from the audience from various social media platforms. Here also we have events or PR is basically need to managing the event, organizing, execute the event, either it's from clients or the internal strategy as part of the public relations strategies. Merchandising, we are also responsible for planning, designing, and producing the souvenir or any other promotional materials to support the efforts of marketing, sales division, programs, or corporate entity activities. Why these items is created? Because the goal of this merchandise or the publicity is to enhance brand visibility and also to show the transitive presence at various activities and events. Graphic design is clear that they are responsible for creating design for a variety of promotional materials like merchandise, flyers, posters, banners, and more. And from a clear and attractive design, it can enhance the visual identity of the company itself. We also have community development, not only building and maintaining the relationship with its internal and also the customer. TransTV also build relationship with the community by fostering and nurturing communities affiliated with TransTV. They built a community named Transmania and MTMA community. PR need to involve by actively supporting and also overseeing all community activities that strengthen relationship and foster this group to be a loyal consumer of Trans TV. Lastly, we have CSR or corporate social responsibility, where Trans TV is engaged in a charitable activities and also makes the donation in various forms of communication. It can be goods or it can be also services. In this section, I will explain the impact of public relation on organization communication strategies and organization overall goals that will have four broad topics. Firstly, brand awareness. Second, brand loyalty. Third, crisis communication. And lastly, internal and external communication. First, we want to talk about the brand awareness. Of course, public relations play a crucial part in promoting a brand so that the general public becomes more aware of the programs and choose Trans TV as a super TV channel, as well as enhancing marketing and sales. An example of PR efforts to build brand awareness of Cinetrans, one of the programs on Trans TV, the PR team used the strategy of pencils acronym for publication, events, news, community affairs, identity, media, lobbying and organization, and social uh, investment. So the PR team are actively promote Cinetrans through various social media platforms. Here you can see on this picture, they promote Cinetrans with the title BFF, Best Friend Forever. It will air every day at 9 p.m. They upload it on the social media X, formerly Twitter, where they share and update the schedule of the program so the people be aware of the upcoming programs or what are the programs that aired by Trans TV. Secondly, brand loyalty. So basically, brand loyalty is a strong emotional connection between the customer and also the brand or the program. Trans TV, as many other form of TV station that airs a variety of programs to the viewers, of course, relies heavily on brand loyalty to be successful. One example of the PR strategies for one program in Trans TV called Bikin Lapar program, or it's like a culinary program. They have successfully implemented its public relations strategy in increasing the brand loyalty through the maximization of various social media platforms. Here you can see on the screen, I put two pictures. This is the Instagram of Bikin Lapar. They already own their own Instagram, and they promote the upcoming contents that they will be uploaded to the YouTube through Instagram. From the Instagram feed, Insta Story, or Instagram Live, they used to promote the program by airing the previews or upcoming episodes. They also, not only that, they also promote the program through teasers and detailed description on Trans TV website. This is why the program of Bikin Lapar Trans TV is successfully attracting the consumers and the audience because they already promoting it through the main digital platforms that mostly people use to connect it with the program. Thirdly, we have crisis communication. Crisis communication refers to how public relation handles of the unexpected situation that may harm the company's image. So TransTV itself already built a team for monitoring the content that will be broadcast on social media and mainstream media. This is the strategy to avoid the unexpected happens or the errors in program broadcast that of course have a huge influence on the society. Every media organization, of course, have the experiences crisis communication, and it also happened to Trans TV. One of the huge cases that they face as one, namely copy viral case or viral coffee case, where they invite one of the former celebrity in Indonesia, namely Saiful Jamil, who was just released from prison of the sexual harassment charges. So this generated outrage from the public who perceived that the program is promoting the child sex offenders, and therefore it was not suitable with the ethical guidelines of the community. So to respond to the situation, Trans TV clarified and apologized to the public, admitting that this is purposeful mistake from the production team and their incompetence. Not only that, Trans TV also take action to close the copy viral program as the proof to the public that they will always uh, welcome to the criticism and suggestion from the community. Lastly, internal and external communication. PR practitioner must have been realized that both internal and external communication are the crucial parts to the success of company. A well-managed internal communication will fostering a healthy and productive working environment, while the external communication that managed effectively can help to generate a good reputation and also fostering a connection with the stakeholders. And public relation at TransTV always consistent to foster positive relationship with its internal employees, with customers, and also the surrounding community. Community development is one of the programs that held under the marketing public relation that they have the program namely Transmania. This Transmania community is intended to foster a friendship and solidarity among Trans TV viewers, as well as to develop a platform that can welcome Trans TV loyal viewers. So we come to the discussion of the public relation theories or models. Actually, each company or organization, of course, have a distinctive strategy or different approaches to public relation based on a variety characteristics such as organizational size, the cultures, and also the public relation objectives. So from the journals that I have read, I found some theories that be implemented to PR strategies. Firstly, three ways marketing strategy by Thomas L. Harris. There are three in this theory. They explain that there are three-way strategy of marketing public relation. First, pull strategy, which is the PR strategy need to getting closer to the audience through the events. Second, push strategy, which is by fostering and enhancing the publication through social media platforms and also the marketing promotions. Thirdly, pass strategy. Here, PR needs to create attractive and interactive content to build a positive image. Second theory is four-step theory of public relations process that includes fact-finding, plan and programming, action and communicating, and evaluation, which is these four steps of strategy is carried out until it reaches the level of brand loyalty. Pyramid from David Aker, namely switcher, habitual buyer, satisfied buyer, like the brand, and lastly committed buyer. And last theory is called PANCELS, acronym for Publication, Events, News, Community Affairs, Identity Media, Lobbying and Negotiation, and also Social Investment. So PR use this strategy to enhance brand recognition and develop emotional attachment to the customers through publication or fascinating events, news, publication, social activities, or also a strong visual identity. Okay, now we come to discussing the effectiveness of PR strategy. Here, if you can see, I put two pictures. They are the accomplishment received by PR in at TransTV. TransTV great accomplishment in receiving the Best Corporate Image Award in 2019 and also the Best Marketing PR Program for the show My Trip, My Center. It explains the efficiency of the applied PR strategy at TransTV. This achievement may be reached through a variety of tactics and strategy, include analyzing the target audience, developing unique and fresh campaign, and also to conducting the regular evaluation. So, as the term of Trans TV that they won the Trendsetter of Indonesia, they need to adapt technological advancement. And yes, from now on, Trans TV has effectively expanded their audience reach by using various forms of communication, such as social media platforms like YouTube, sorry, like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And now on, they also air their programs not only on television itself, but they also air their program on YouTube and other streaming platforms like video. So it means that everyone can watch the Trans TV programs whenever they want and wherever they want. So, but also Trans TV has shown some significance in public relation. Of course, they always have the room for improvement, and the future improvement will be explained in the next slide. So here are some future improvement needed for PR at TransTV. Firstly, strengthening audience engagement. We know that in this age, everyone can have an easy access to information, and they have the potential freedom to express what they want on social media. And there, a PR practitioner must react to these changes and be adaptive by including a strengthening audience engagement with the public, viewers, social media platforms, not only responding their comments or DMS or any text that give to the company, but also they need to actively building attractive content to engage the audience more. They can also use the influencer or political leaders that might help Trans TV to reach a larger audiences. Secondly, innovation in campaigns. We all know that in this era, it's become more competitive in terms of attracting consumers. And so, PR must continue to innovate in order to create campaigns that seem fresh, new, and also have a big significant influence on the audience. Yes, the usage of digital media is the correct way to boost marketing success, and the company that use more and adapt to the technological advancement will always have more competitive advantage in gaining loyal customers. But however, the importance of campaigns, of course, and still determined by the message itself, the person who delivering it, the impact that will have, and the capacity to create connection with the target demographic. So here are the focus of public relation that they need to be working on. All right, that's all my presentation. I hope you can understand what I'm discussing earlier. And if you have any question or you have any misunderstanding of this topic, you may reach me. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.